हेलो पावरफुल सोल। और अगर कहीं आपको अपनी पावर याद नहीं है तो गिव मी 2 minutes टू रिमाइंड यू योर ओन पावर. व्हेन यू फर्स्ट टाइम केम इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड यू लर्न टू ब्रीथ एंड लर्न टू लिव. You cried for the first time. You made it. You survived. And yeah, you had help. You had doctors, nurses all around you and your mother. And you made it. You are powerful. That was the first time you survived. And then it just keeps on going on. And the second survival test comes when you gain puberty. That time when you were teenager, you were going through a lot of neurological and biological changes. The world suddenly started looking different, but you managed, right? And you started understanding life. You started understanding emotions on a much more granular level. Sad was not just sad. तब आपको पता चला कि nervousness भी होती है, anxiety भी होती है और stress भी होता है. तो ये सब चीजें आपने understand करनी शुरू करी. But you survived that phase. Congratulations, you are powerful. And probably you had that time your teachers, your parents, your friends, and if you got lucky, you had counselors too to support you in that survival. देखिए अब third test आपका चल रहा है, उसमें आपको अपनी पावर फिर से शायद प्रूव करनी पड़ रही है, इसीलिए आपने मेरा वीडियो देखा है. सो थर्ड फेज इज ऑफ कोर्स योर अडल्टहुड. यहाँ पर होता है रोज मेंटल एंड इमोशनल एंडोरेंस टेस्ट. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ बर्नआउट, existential questions, responsibilities, plus you have a lot of desires which you want amid all of this. लेकिन मोस्टली हम अपने डिजायर्स भूल जाते हैं एंड वी गो थ्रू इन ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स बिकॉज आवर सिस्टम, आवर न्यूरोलॉजिकल सिस्टम डज नॉट नो हाउ टू कोप विद इट. वी गो इनटू सर्वाइवल जोन, वी गो इन द फ्लाइट एंड फाइट सिचुएशन. जैसे कि अगर आप सपोज जंगल में जाएं और शेर को देखें एंड यू विल सेव योर लाइफ एंड यू विल रन, बट टेल मी फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग कैन यू रन? 15 minutes, 20 minutes? You cannot run for a day, you cannot run for days, weeks, months. But here you do, and you are in survival mode. And a lot of times there is nobody to support you in the journey of this adulthood, जहां पर इतनी सारी desires हैं और इतनी सारी problems हैं life की which we have to go through. Here I come in the picture. I am a coach and I help you not just survive but to live. I help you to live with respect, dignity, purpose, live with abundance, live with proper health and energy, and live with love. And all this is possible through manifestations. Hi, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma and I'm a coach of CEOs, founders, working professionals. I have coached over 10,000 people and created hundreds of success stories of entrepreneurs and working professionals by now. And I have someone who cleared 25 crore of bank loan in 3 months by using manifestation, someone who manifested multiple businesses just within few sessions. Working professionals who are working in a group coaching seat with me, they manifest 170% increment, job change, 150% increment in job change, love manifestations. I have lots and lots of experiences shared by many people, and you can check my blog, you can check my Friday videos where I'm continuously talking about a lot of manifestation results to give you that solid assurance that you are going to get results not just like them but maybe more than them. I have worked with American coaches on multiple products. I am INBA 100 most influential women in India, and I once delivered a manifestation session to over 5,000 people. And I have a decade-long experience in working in the IT industry. I am an ex-IBMer. Now, I have created a 6-step system called the Chakra Manifestation Method to help people like you who are powerful but need to find that connection with their own power. And I help you manifest your desire. तो अब आप मेरा 6-step का system समझिए कि क्या मेरा system है. Number 1 is mindfulness, so that you understand your own emotions and feelings, what you go through. सबसे पहले awareness होनी important है. You have a mindfulness of your situation, of your desires. So first thing is that I work on your mindfulness. Then number 2 is I help you handle your low vibration emotions. जो आप survival में रहते हैं, I help you overcome that and you begin to stay happy and you are in high vibration emotions. Then number 3, I help you deepen your gratitude practice. That is very very important. अगर आप मेरी सोशल मीडिया की पोस्ट भी देखेंगे तो भी आपको पता चलेगा कि every other week I'm repeating a gratitude post because it is very very important. I want everyone to deepen the gratitude practice. जैसे कि मैं वीडियो में भी अक्सर बोलती हूँ कि अपना gratitude छोड़ देना, ये एक प्रैक्टिस है. that you must practice every day. Then fourth thing is I balance your seven chakras and I give more than 100 manifestation techniques with these chakras. So a chakra and relevant manifestation techniques, and that's my specialty. There it starts working because this is at number 4 that we do. Then number 5 is guided action, because it's important to take action when you're doing manifestation techniques, and it comes with your intuition. And for this we do a lot of hand holding, daily reminders. I don't want to work with a million people and just like an influencer that, I don't care about your results. When you are inside my coaching, we have success managers assigned to you, and we do hand holding, daily reminders, so that you take action for your desires and your manifestations come true. Then sixth thing I do is I help you sustain your manifestations. क्योंकि एक बार अगर आपने abundance manifest की, then how do you sustain it? Love manifest किया, then how do you sustain it? So I help you in all these things, whatever manifestations you have done, to help you sustain them. Now this system ensures that you manifest within 3 to 6 months. और मेरा काम करने का तरीका अलग है दूसरे manifestation coaches से, because I'm not here to just get you inside. I'm here to help you in transformation and help you build a life that you truly deserve. I'm here to cheer for you. I'm here to make you successful. And people who once join me and they get phenomenal results, they also like to stick around with me because their lives just keep on expanding and they go bigger and bigger. And it is just a journey. So आपको कहीं तो start करना ही पड़ेगा. The first step you can take is join my community and book a call with my team. So they will explain to you that which package is suitable for you. I have different package. I have 3 levels. One is a basic package. Then second is the level where I work on your individual manifestations. And then next level is for founders and entrepreneurs, CEOs who want to work on their business manifestations. So all you have to do to find that out, to find that right package for you, you have to book a call and talk to my team and make the payment, because energy exchange is important and you can understand that none of this is free. If you want free guidance, then stay subscribed here and keep on watching my videos. I publish a lot of content. I'm regularly sending all the updates. There are regular updates on how someone manifests and what is the technique that they use for manifestation. So if you want a free guidance, you are more than welcome to follow my YouTube channel. And if you want to fast track your journey, then get inside, make this connection deeper. All right, then, see you. Bye bye.